Hi everyone, it's Martin. Now normally I do videos on this channel every 2 weeks or every other Thursday. But this week I don't have a new video for you. Instead, this is just an update on my SSFX or Space Sound Effects project. Just to remind you, this was a competition I launched back in January, challenging filmmakers from across the globe to incorporate real sounds from space, which I research, into short films in creative ways. That was the only brief I gave. I was really pleased with the number of submissions that we've got, and I've recently just been watching through all of the entries for the judging. As you might imagine, we've had such a wide variety of films that have come in, completely different like topics or genres, from experimental to highly narrative to horror, drama, all that sort of thing. They're all so incredibly difficult, which is making judging quite hard to do. But once we finally have whittled it down, you can come and see some of those films yourself if you are near London. On the 2nd of September at Rich Mix in Shoreditch, we're going to be hosting the SSFX Short Film Festival. You can come along, watch some of the very best films that we've selected, featuring actual sound from space, hear from the filmmakers involved, how did they make these films, what drove that creative process, and then afterwards a bit of a celebratory drink in the cafe and gallery area. If that sounds like your cup of tea, tickets are now available at the very cheap price of only £5. So please do come along if that would be of interest to you. I'll make sure there's links in the description so you can click on them. In the meantime, I am working on getting a trailer made up featuring snippets of a lot of the films that have been submitted, but it's not quite ready yet. So look out for that on this channel. Make sure you're subscribed to get the latest video and click on the bell for alerts so you don't miss anything in your feed. So trailer coming soon to this channel, and of course more physics videos on the way. Cheers.